Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best platform to crypto exchange and next generation mobile banking, and that platform name is Hi.com. So how many facilities, how to sign up, how to invest your cryptocurrency using my tips and tricks. Let's start as a detailed demonstration.
Hi is not just an app. Hi is a licensed crypto exchange, revolutionizing mobile banking. But there's more to the Hi life than just earning amazing yields on your crypto and fiat. Trading the hottest tokens and stocks, or having a multi-currency IBAN account with the most rewarding debit card. Getting Hi means a world of opportunities through decentralization. And all of this is just the beginning.
Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google, simply put it here Hi.com, enter. The first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. So look at this. This is a framework of this Hi.com. Here in the presentation I will explain. I already put this video description, this presentation link you can download and understand. Not for profit financial services. This is making each and every person. This is a framework available like in a laptop and smartphone devices, as well as you can sign up very easily using your Telegram, WhatsApp or web app application also. The problem today is banking is not necessary. Bill Gates are telling such kind of thought processing like 1.3 trillion US in profit, 1.7 billion adults remain unbreaked globally related presentation they are providing here. Our mission, Hi's mission, make money for our members, not of them. We are building world's first globally digital credit union, blockchain technology, 1+1 billion members. So like a send, save and earn convert related options facilities are available for the crypto banking for the mass people. The Hi dollar, this is the cryptocurrency with the two important difference: mass adoption and genuine utility. Viral reference and factors. You can send your referral link of your family or your friends or your team members and you can receive much more profit or percentage. Hi is one of the best community like a social campaigning, creative collabs and events. So here the let's collaboration and event like a social campaigning comes. So example, social campaigning DJ site, cryptocurrency related platform. You can invest your cryptocurrency all in one crypto exchange and next generation mobile banking. It's kind amazing platform I saw ever. The application available on Android, iOS and web browser also. So we just simply here sign up point of view, you need to add your mobile number. Currently login, I have no login ID, so I just simply go with sign up. And sign up point of view also need to you add your mobile number. So which country your mobile number you can put it here. My mobile number is 9422 India, so I select the Indian country. Then next some verification comes here, depend upon this number 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4 and then verify. It's very simple. Here one code I am receiving on my mobile number. Yes, I receive 1604 and then here set a password. Simply password must be in case sensitive. Next, now here my nickname or automatically the website are generating, or I just put it here my name and submit. So yes, after I am adding there my name, my nickname is already done here, and then start now. As a setup for Google authentication, yes, as a setup point of view, you install the Google authentication application. So simply using the scan code I install this application in my mobile phone. So my verification code here in 181800 after scanning this one. So perfect, my verification is done. Now invite friend and related options comes here. Enable, yeah, of course enable. Now my account is created here, but before start anything we need to verify your account. As a verification point of view, we just simply click here, and now I click here for the confirmation. As a confirmation, as a verification point of view, you need to put it here, your email address verification, your self face identity or document or nationality. So how we do this process? First of all, we scan this QR code. I just simply scan this QR code. I scan this QR code and the QR code related options automatically display in my mobile. So I confirm. First of all, continue here, agree, next. Now here I simply put it my email address. So I type here my email address like sangram@gmail.com. Done. Verification are sending, so I am receiving one verification code in my email address. Yes, I receive 0690. Next come here face identification. So yes, I am ready. Allow, hold on, like you can do same as a mobile. Second also come. Now third one, need to add here document. So which documents you want provide here? First of all, city, and which city document you want provide. So I select the India, and here select the ID card. ID card point of view, I upload here PAN card and ID card format like this, front size photo. Put it here front. Look at this. This is my PAN card. Choose. Select here back side. Next, going to continue. My nationality. So select here your nationality. It's very simple. I select here India. Next, and as a verification point of view, wait couple of seconds. Again next. So verification is going on. If some problem are facing, the verification are not completed here. Confirm. So look at this, my verification is completed, means my KYC is successfully completed. Now KYC is done. Now how to deposit the money, I will tell you. You just simply press here hi, and here deposit options are available. You just simply click the deposit option. I understand, and here I am selecting the cryptocurrency. Which cryptocurrency or which currency you want deposit here, you decided. I just simply press here hi dollar. So high dollar point of view, I just scan this QR code using my third party wallet, PayPal wallet or any other wallet in Binance, and I deposit here $55 high dollar. It's very simple. My process is done. We can see here money is really come or not. So look at this, I deposit 55. So the currency is a display here. Like here 4 wallet are available. So one of wallet I am deposit here money. Again click here. So here several options are available. I just simply deposit. Withdrawal point of view, you also doing same process which you select accordingly, and then add here your Binance wallet or third party wallet and just put it here like one. Like suppose now I have insufficient balance, but I can very easily withdraw some amount, and just simply withdrawal, press the withdrawal, and within 1 hour the withdrawal money are receiving your third party wallet. It's very simple process. Here cryptocurrency high related options are available. Look at this here, 311.2 high, around 55 US dollar I am receiving. My transaction is completed here. Using the send option, you can send third person using his nickname. It's very simple process to send. Even also like you want buy something, so you can buy using the buy option. Any one of the currency you can buy here and invest your money in cryptocurrency. Here the most rewarding LP program, 200+ million high in bonus. It's outstanding platform. You can choose your bonus pool. So here several polls are available here. Which poll you want, choose, and then you can invest your money and receive total reward. So like this, total reward like 100 million high reward. They are product already, like look at this, 1874.57% high bonus going on here. ETH GIGA poll, BSC GIGA poll. So here several polls are available. Each and every poll are providing you much more profit and increase your profit very easily. What is the process of the how exactly does work? So here process are available. You just go to either this particular platform or provide liquidity, then retrieve your LP token into a wallet. Connect the same wallet, this is a website, and deposit your LP token into any active reward pool. Note the network lookup, terms and program duration, reward, earn reward accordingly to the APY and number of LP token you have. Informations are available here. You read very carefully and then think about which pool is suitable for you. So daily profit, like here 180 days 30%, 1 year 40%, and 7 days 0.5% investment or profit are generating. It's very simple. Here is the setting. Look at this, my KYC tier 1 is completed. You need to fix out first of all verification and then become a member of silver or any other currency. Display currency I already set here, English language, to setting factory, and some other informations are available here. It's very simple process to download this application and complete your KYC and then deposit some money or deposit some cryptocurrency using my tips and tricks. It's very simple. If you have any suggestion, you can comment me. I will help you. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.